I'm John Scott in for Shepard Smith, reporting from the Fox News deck. We are just seconds away from what could be the world's largest fireworks display ever. It's happening in Dubai, where it has just struck midnight, and here we go. Organizers say they are setting off 500,000 fireworks within just 6 minutes. They say Guinness World Record officials are on hand for the event, and if all goes as planned, it will be more than 6 times larger than the current world record. That's the tallest building in the world there. You can see kicking things off. Let's watch the world's largest fireworks display. They always do it big in Dubai. This is expected to be, when it's all over, the world's largest fireworks display. More than 500,000 fireworks coordinated by more than 100 computers. Let's watch. You can hear the roar of the crowd there in Dubai. 500,000 fireworks, we are told, 6 times larger than the previous world record holder. The folks from Guinness Book of World Records are there. They are supposed to certify this thing, but it is certainly the biggest I have ever seen. Hard to believe they won't get that record. Leah Gabriel is here with more. Leah, what else do we know about this event?
Well, John, you mentioned that current world record. Just to put it in perspective, that world record was set in Kuwait City. That was last year during the November celebration that they had in Kuwait. Now, they set off just over 77,000 fireworks in just over an hour. Again, this was 500,000 fireworks in just 6 minutes. The display in Kuwait City spanned about 3 miles of coastline. This one, organizers say, spanned 30 miles of coastline. Now, it's actually a U.S.-based company that produced this show, has been producing this show, and there were several really unique effects that they said they'd be creating during it. For example, they were going to create a burst of light of fireworks that would imitate a sunrise, the first sunrise of 2014, and a United Arab Emirates flag made out of fireworks. Before this display happened, we couldn't see it where we were standing, but apparently there was a flying falcon that the company producing this was going to create out of fireworks to fly around the islands as the countdown was happening. So, John, in just a few hours, we'll know whether or not they actually broke this world record. As you mentioned, there's a representative from Guinness that's there to do an audit and figure out just how many fireworks went off.
It is hard to believe that they won't make the world's record there with this one. And the folks in the streets sure liked it. What else are people around the world doing to ring in 2014?